Alright, what's going on YouTube? So this is the only spot that I have to run away from the sun because it's way too hot and way too sunny out today. So I'm revisiting the Arts District, the Houston Arts District again, but this time, even though it rained a little bit, we still did the photo shoot. So I'm going to show you not just the location itself, but I'm going to show you how the pictures actually came out. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so as you saw, that was the Houston Arts District in downtown Houston. I really wanted to showcase the location and also show the photos, kind of to give an idea of what kind of outcome you can find there, like what kind of results by doing photographs there. I know For me personally, a lot of times if you go to a location, if you don't find like a perfect background, something perfectly centered, something that looks cinematic, sometimes you can feel disheartened and think that good pictures won't come out. But what I've learned recently is that you can really make a good location out of almost any spot. You just kind of have to, you know, use the angles, use the lighting, use your knowledge, right, and your expertise to make it actually work. So that's what I wanted to show. In this location, I have to turn out a bunch of looks in a short amount of time. So I have to be very resourceful. I have to use the same spot, but just kind of change angles to the left, to the right, and look for different textures, different colors, different things like that. So I really hope that you guys gain some type of value from this, because I wanted you to see that you're able to go to that location and you're able to replicate these same exact shots. This is nothing out of the ordinary. I didn't use any external equipment, just my camera, natural lighting, and the subject themselves. So let me know what you thought of these photo sets. If you found them helpful, if you found them interesting, found them lackluster, honestly, let me know. I have a lot more videos similar to this one in different locations in Houston that I also am going to showcase. And I want you guys to get the most value out of it. I don't want to just drag it out just to drag it out, but I want you guys to see that you're capable of doing the exact same thing, if not even better than I did. All right, so let me know honestly, how did you feel about the locations? Let me know how did you feel about the photos in the comments down below. And if you did really like this, if you did appreciate it, feel free to share it with a friend. Feel free to subscribe so that you get the next notification. This video was a little delayed. I actually shot the first portion a few months back, maybe last June. And I finally got to editing it and putting it all together. But I really do want to put out a lot more content, a lot more consistent content to showcase things just like this. All right, so again, thank you guys so much for checking out the channel. I'm Super Manny, and always here to remind you that each and every one of you have a superpower. You just have to go out and find it. Until next time, and I will snap at you guys later.